Hey, today I'm going to show you how to install a preset on Lightroom Mobile. I'm demonstrating on an Android, but the process is the same on the iOS Lightroom Mobile app. If you haven't already, purchase your preset pack from our site prestopresets.com. Next, download the file sent to your email. Once this is complete, open up the Lightroom Mobile app. It's free on both the App Store and Google Play. Select your desired photo. Scroll across the bottom bar towards the right, where you'll find presets. Open the Options panel and click Import Presets. This will direct you to your recent downloads, where you can select the zip file. Tap and hold to select multiple. Push Select to confirm the install. Once installed successfully, try the presets from your list. By default, they will be at the bottom. Scroll through the different filters and let the magic happen. I hope this helped, and remember to check out our brand new colorways on prestopresets.com.